Okay, today's the day, guys, that I'm putting the new electric actuator on the 3-point. I've been doing a bunch of fitting and thinking here, so this is the original one, made by Motion, and surprisingly that one's made by Motion too, so same manufacturer. But I want you to look at the actual cylinder here. You can see that old one dwarfs the new one here. So it should have quite a bit more lift capacity, judging by the size of that ram. So I got away easy on the bottom one here. I was able to just put a collar in there. These are the bolts that it used, the original ones, and the 1/2 inch is what the new ones are. So I just put a collar in this one, and I'm modifying this piece. This piece has got to go to there. I just got done welding it. And there it is. I had to widen this out because obviously the original ram, I mean, you can see how much smaller it is. So basically I just I cut that new piece you see there. I cut the old piece out and added a new piece and just widened it. So I think that's going to work out for me. Letting that cool right now, and then I'll be doing a test fit. Hopefully it's all going to work out here. Okay, we are installed. I got my ram hooked up. Got my new, or it's not a new bracket, but the wider bracket in there. Used some washers for some spacers. I actually moved it. It was over here, and I moved it over that way because it was more in line. You can see how it's kind of a straight shot. If it was over here more, it would be crooked. So went like that to mount it. I don't see any problems with that. I got all my bolts tight. There's the mounting bolt right there. I don't know if you can see that collar I stuck in there or not. There is the collar. That's just to shrink the hole because the hole is too big in the ram to get it down to this size. So I'm gonna go hook it up here and see how she handles the blade, I guess. Well, we had a bit of a failure yesterday with the 3-point. This new actuator is about 1.5 inches shorter than the original. So I couldn't get the blade off the ground after I did all that work. So what I'm doing now is I'm making an extension for the top of that actuator. Welding it up here. It's just a pipe that goes on top of that, and then I welded a piece of flat stock, and then I'm going to weld my extension onto that, and hopefully this will work out. Probably should wait until you know, I'm definitely gonna get bigger tires eventually, and possibly a lift. So if I get high enough that I don't need this extension, I can always just take it out. So I guess it's just kind of so I can use my blade right now until I get get my Ranger where I want it. So yeah, we'll see here. I'll show you what I got once I get this all done, and once that cools down. And hopefully today I'll be able to pick the blade off the ground again. Okay, so there's my adapter there. Yeah, it's a bit of an odd looking deal, but it's heavy duty, so it shouldn't bend or break. I don't need it to look good, I just need it to work. So I'll get it installed. I'm letting it cool down just a little bit more. I'll get it installed and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so there it is installed. You can kind of get a better idea of what I did. Now, this is all on pins. So if I do raise my Ranger and I don't need this lift anymore, 2 pins, and then I can hook it back up to the ram itself. So I feel like I'm pretty safe here with whatever direction I go. So the only thing left is to actually go hook up the blade, see how high it comes off the ground. Got my fingers crossed right now. Okay, so I got like 4 or 5 inches now off the ground, which is, it's a whole lot better than it was, but I still feel like I want more than that. So I'll have to keep working on it. Maybe when I get my bigger tires and possibly a lift, I'll be happy with it. But definitely comes off the ground now. The one side's a lot lower than the other. I don't know why. Feels like something might be tweaked or something on this, but anyway, I guess. Okay, so I just did a test run with this. Really happy with my modifications here. It's working really well. It's raising up far enough. So I'm really happy with what I got here. Just got to make my brace right there to go up to the deal to kind of triangulate this whole setup. So yeah, this is working out good. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.